Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're well. So today's card you can't actually see very well, and I do apologise, it's because of the atrocious lighting. I do have lights either side, but unfortunately it's not picking up. It's a cute little 3x3 notelet which uses a tonal stamping, which is when you use the same colour ink pad on the same coloured cardstock, and some copper embossing. So the card is created using the Precious Delivery stamp set that's available in the annual catalogue, and it's this stamp here we'll be using, as well as the Strong and Beautiful stamp set, and that's a cling stamp set, and it is just super cute with so many wonderful sentiments in for Mother's Day or friends. It's just perfect. So move them out of the way and move our teeny tiny card over. I'm going to bring in the ink pad as well as our card base, which is Night of Navy 3x3 folded in half, and just crease that down so we have a nice crisp fold, and then a mat which measures 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. So the same basically. So as I said, we're going to bring in our stamp, and I'm just going to ink that up in the coordinating ink, which is Night of Navy, and I'm just going to ink it up and stamp that down like so. And I'm only going to keep it really for the bottom kind of corner. Go this way, go like this, and I'm just going to build it up as really I see fit. So I've got this bit here, I'll just bring in this bit there, like so. So I can move that out of the way because that's all that embossing done. So you will want that to dry a little bit first. It does dry really quickly, however, because we're going to be heat embossing, you do just want it to be perfectly dry, otherwise you'll get blue on your embossing body. So I'm going to grab the sentiment, which is I cherish you, my true friend, I know I can always count on you, from that stamp set, and some Versamark ink. I'm just going to ink that up and stamp that towards the bottom there, bottom right even, like so. And then with a piece of copy paper and your embossing powder, just lay that over the top, sprinkle that over generously, spray that up, and then watch just make sure it's all off. So I'm going to move that out of the way for now. Give it a quick blow. It looks okay, so I'm just going to heat set that now. So bringing in my heat tool. And there you have it, that's a heat embossed into copper. So up close you can see how pretty that is, and there you have it finished, and it looks really nice in person. It's quite sad that it's not picking up on the camera very well for you, but just turn that over now with your snow adhesive, pop that on the back, And just line that up onto your card base, like so. Wipe off the embossing body. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. Why not like, comment and subscribe, and pop down into the description bar where a full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop. While you're down there, you can share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such a fabulous card. I'll see you around. Bye.